so much, Miss Anna. You may... Thank you for accepting me for who I am and for loving me. I will support and I'll forever be involved in this family. Ana E, Vitamin E, uminom pala. Mag-take kayo ng capsule every single morning para lahat tayo ay gumanda. Yes, thank you so much. Hala, tsaka fans ako ng mga hello po, Miss Grace. Hello, ate. Wow, nandito kayo lahat. Kumusta kayo?
Grabe! Shuvi, lahat sila excited makita ka at malaman kung sino talaga ang magiging endorser ng Ana E. The first from Philox Pharmaceutical Incorporated, di ba? Pero magkawas.
Feels surreal talaga, Miss Anna. Yung sinabihan pa lang ako guys ni Miss Anna na kukunin niya ako, parang, bakit ako? Why me? Kasi ganyan ka. Tapos, parang, and then I realized na this brand is not just a brand, it's about empowerment. It's about women supporting other women. It's about us accepting our authenticity, our beauty, us just being women. You know, it feels nice to be a woman. So I just want I will be able to inspire with this brand. I hope I will be able to inspire other people to just embrace who they are and be confident with who they are.
Lahat talaga gustong makasama at mag-represent si Shuvi ng kanilang brand. And then we can see clearly why, right? You are the perfect embodiment of this product. Palakpakan po muli natin si Shuvi. Do you have any message to your fans and to all of...
I make mistakes. I'm not a perfect person, but as a woman, we have to be able to accept our flaws. You know, standing with your own self, being confident with your own self, learning, growing, and just being beautiful. You know, and again, glowing in the end of the day. Maganda tayong lahat. So, to my Ana E family, sabay-sabay po tayo maging gandang powerful.
Gandang powerful din ang message ni Shuvi sa ating lahat. We love your story, we love who you are, and we celebrate you and Ana E. That's what this brand is all about. Women, imperfections,